Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with a brand new video. As you guys can probably see, we got episode 16 coming today. It's been a minute, and I'm very sorry about that, guys. I've been going through some shit, and I'm not going to get into it, but we are finally back. I have gotten my camera, which you guys can now see. Hopefully the quality looks amazing for you guys. I built this cloud wall from TikTok. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these on TikTok, but I built one of these for the background of my videos, moved all the shoes out of there, and this connects to Prism. So anytime I check out on Prism now, the entire wall will flash green for you guys, and it's just gonna be cool for the background of the videos. But yeah, this is episode 16 of BornHype Cooks. In this video, we got the Yeezy 500 Utility Blacks, we got the Jordan 12 Gold, as well as the Bred 350s that did restock. There's no Supreme in this release because I did take massive L's on the Crossbox logo hoodie as well as the Mortal Kombat machine, but I did get both of them in hand, so we will go over that later in the video. But so yeah, hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you guys leave a like down below, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and check out all the sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below for you guys, so make sure you go check those out. All right, boys, we got Undefeated coming here in about 6 minutes. I'm going to be starting my tasks one by one here to make sure they get all ready and set. Here we go. Nice picked up. And for the Jordan ones. Checking order. Let's go, baby. Nice. We hit a 1 and a Desert Rat with Soul. Let's go. I haven't hit Shopify in a minute. Let's go. That's another dashy checkout. W. It's another dashy checkout. Big W. Let's go. Another dashy checkout. So overall, on the utility black drop, the 500s, I did not do well on foot sites at all. Obviously, there was a very low stock on foot sites, and I literally hit 0 on foot sites, but we did pretty decent after the fact. I ended up hitting Shopify, which was very surprising. I barely ever hit Shopify, so I was very happy I did hit Shopify, as well as we got a few on Yeezy Supply, as well as I hit the Adidas app. So those have all come in, and let me show you guys what they look like. Okay, so here they are. These are the utility black 500s that did drop. Now these obviously restocked. They dropped years ago, I'm pretty sure, or last year. And these shoes were very expensive, and now they're around like 300 again. So I'll probably end up holding on to these because there's really no point in selling them when they're that low. I really believe that these will go back up in price, especially with how much people do actually like this shoe. All right, we got the last drops coming up here. We got the Jordan 1 metallic golds dropping, the black and gold Jordan 1s, as well as the 500s again on Kith. Now I'm going to be going for these ones on foot sites as well as Kith. We're running Kith on Soul for both the ones as well as the 500s. And then I'm going to be entering sneakers manually as well. So let's see how we do. Also processing on Kith here. Nice. So we hit the Jordan 1 on Kith. I didn't pick up the 500s at all. I don't know if they dropped. What is this like? Flip-flops, orange, black, pink, white. Oh, processing? Come on, baby. Checking order. Nice. We hit one on Kith as well. Okay, Nice. Prism starting to cart and hit. Here we go, baby. Like I'm looking at people cooking, but I'm not. Let me create some GS tasks. Oh, there we go. Just hit a men's 7.5. It's a fat W. Nice, there's an 11. Nice, that's another size 8. Nice. Just 13. Nice, another checkout. Size 12. W. T12. Let's go, there's another one. There we go, another 11. Now overall for the Jordan 1 Black Metallic Golds, I did hit about 12 pairs in total. I ended up getting 10 in. I got a few cancellations on foot sites, but other than that, I didn't really want too many pairs of these because it did seem like prices were a bit low. And then after the fact, they got even lower, so they kind of bricked. They're basically retail right now. Payout anyways about retail. Personally, myself, I'm definitely going to be holding on to some pairs. I only got about 10, which was all that I wanted, really. I didn't go too crazy on this release because I kind of knew that it seemed like prices were going to brick. So anyways, I'm just kind of holding the 10 pairs that I did get. I don't plan on selling them anytime soon, but I will show you guys what they do look like because we got them in hand right here. This is a size 12. Now, I'm actually surprised. Actually, a little bit surprised. The big sizes on this shoe are doing amazing compared to like, the 8.5 or 8 through 9.5. Usually those are a bit more expensive than the bigger sizes, but it seems like bigger sizes in this shoe are hitting. So I ran random and I'm not too mad that I mostly hit big sizes compared to like the 7.5 through 9.5 size range. All right, boys, big release today. We have the Yeezy 350 V2 Bred restocking today. Now this release is going to be crazy. It's very highly anticipated. We got Prism as well as Soul running here today. We're going to be focusing all footsite tasks on Prism as I've had my most success with footsites on Prism in the past. And then we're going to be trying out Dick's Sporting Goods on Soul AIO as well as Finish Line and JD on Soul and Finish Line and JD on Prism. And then moving into Shopify later, we'll probably run some Soul and some Prism tasks and then Dashy and Soul on Yeezy Supply. So hopefully today is a great day. I'm looking to cook a bunch of pairs. We got about 5 minutes before the release. And yeah, good luck to everybody that's running and hopefully we cook. Hey, let's go Prism. 2 already GS on Prism. Perfect. Let's go. Prism is also auto-solving the G CAPTCHA. Alright, let's go Prism. 3 checkouts now. 1 failed, 2 failed. I don't know why I'm getting a few failed checkouts. Card declined again. Successful checkout. Nice. Okay, so we hit Dick's. I should get this checkout here as well. Yep. I shouldn't be getting any payment failures. I don't know why. I just hit one on Prism. Nice. Successful checkout. Nice. Nice, we hit Prism again. Okay, I have a bunch of unlogged checkouts on Prism. Some from Foot Action. And then some from East Bay. Hey. 8.5 on champs. Nice. Oh, I just hit on Prism. See, this is why we continue to run Prism no matter what. Hey, nice. We hit a size 9 on Dashi. Finally. Let's see if I can hit that one that's sending payment as well. There we go. 10. Okay, we just hit another checkout on Dashi. I closed Soul. I'm kind of just chilling out here. It's getting towards the end of the release, 100%. So I'm just gonna keep vibing. Hopefully Dashi gets me a few more, and that'd be great. Foot sites have restocked. I just started a bunch of tasks. I started these way before they restocked. Just started recording again because I finally picked up after like 30 minutes of waiting for me to get through queue. But yeah, we also started a few soul tasks on foot sites. We'll see how that does, but Prism's doing very well right now, so hopefully I end up hitting some more. There we go, baby. A nice restock from Prism has been secured. Let's go, we got another on Prism. Just editing all these tasks. I ran out of data, so we're just gonna run these ISPs to the ground. I don't care, because we're cooking right now. Absolutely cooking on Prism. That's what we like to see, baby. And then last but certainly not least, we had the Yeezy 350 Bred restock. Now, I was so hyped that they were actually restocking the shoe. Number one, because I know a bunch of people that have been wanting the shoe for a while since they released on I think it was like 2017 or 2018 when these released. It was a while, but I knew a bunch of people that still wanted these, so obviously everybody went hard on this release. I hit about 20 pairs in total. I did get some PVs, unfortunately, and I got about 15 pairs in total, but some are still arriving. I don't know exactly how many I'll have at the end, but I got this pair yesterday from East Bay, which is like 3 weeks almost after the release. So, but yeah, who knows how many more will come in, because I think a few more were delayed. But so far, I got 15 out of my 21 checkouts in hand. So I'm not too mad about that. I wish I did a little better on this release, but I can't complain. So. And now here they are. You have probably seen the shoe many times. It's been everywhere many times. It's a very sought after V2. But yeah, I love this shoe, and I'm very happy that they restocked it, because I'll probably be keeping a pair for the personal. Um, and I'll also be holding on to these as well. I don't plan on selling these anytime soon, because they obviously dipped in price a lot, and I think they'll go back up very quickly. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm now in my basement. This is my first time doing like some vlog style stuff. So I'm looking at the screen, and I should be looking at the lens. But anyway, as you guys can see here, I kind of took over the basement and moved all my shoes down here, kind of for storage. I still need to organize it and everything, but my basement's a mess with like boxes and all that stuff. Please focus. There we go. But yeah, as you guys can see, I got like Supreme chairs over there. We got like a bunch of shoes, obviously, here. And then this was what I really wanted to show you guys down here. This is the Supreme Mortal Kombat machine. I am number 1806 out of 2400. Now, I'll definitely be holding that for a long time. I don't plan on selling it anytime soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna like change up some stuff. I gotta reorganize some stuff down here, and I plan on making like some unboxing videos down here and stuff, just so I'm not sitting in my room the entire video and it's not as boring and seems in one place for you guys. So yeah, for the box logo hoodie, I traded the PS5 and my boy added $600 on top with the box logo. So I gave him the PS5, he gave me box logo and 600 bucks. But yeah, and then I traded the PS5 for the Mortal Kombat machine, and I added 200 bucks myself. So honestly, that's not too bad. I was selling the PS5s at around 900, and the Mortal Kombat machine itself was $800 retail, and I paid retail for the PS5. So I basically paid under retail for the Mortal Kombat machine. So I'm definitely not mad, and I'm just holding it anyway. The shipping boxes are taking over my house. They're everywhere. So getting into some of the stuff I sold throughout these couple weeks, I basically only moved PlayStation 5s. I haven't moved any shoes. Unfortunately, my car broke, so I've been trying to get a new car slash sell my broken car because I it's too much money to fix and I just don't want to do that. So I've been trying to get a new vehicle for myself. But I moved a few PS5s. Some local buyers pulled up to the crib and they were giving me between 9 and 950 for all my PS5s. So I got rid of all 6 of them that I had in hand for myself. Because I got 21 checkouts in total of the PS5s for myself. Only got 6 in hand and the rest were slots. So, but we also got the Supreme Cross box logo hoodie here. As I was saying before, I traded one of the PS5s for this, and he added $600 cash on top. So that was a pretty good trade. As well as that Mortal Kombat machine that also went with the PS5s being sold, and then the rest of them I sold for cash. So that was great. And yeah, so yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You guys know the drill. Check out all these sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below. Thank you guys for sticking with me through all this shit that I've been going through, and I'm very sorry that I haven't uploaded and I've kind of been MIA. I feel really bad about it, and yeah, I'm sorry about that. But we're coming back stronger than ever, better than ever. I'm very happy to be making YouTube videos for you guys. So, but coming up in the next episode, we got the Supreme Cross Box Logo tee, the Holiday Jordan 11s, and more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that next episode. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It really means the world to me. You guys have no idea. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy Gavin or BornHype, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.